Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPhone. Now, we're going to learn today about the online and offline modes that we have built into the EGW Writings 2 app. And we've done that because many of you have to pay for every megabyte of data that you download on your phone. There are many regions that it's quite expensive, and so, as a result, we have enabled the app to run in offline mode. Now that means that you don't have to set your phone into offline mode. You can still send and receive calls and listen to, if you have AirPods, and listen to the device through your Bluetooth on your car, or it doesn't affect that in any way. It's just our app cannot talk in any way to the internet when it's enabled. And this can save you all of that data issues that you have in the past had problems with our app. Now let me show you how you do that in the settings within the EGW Writings 2 app. So first of all, to open the settings, you need to tap on the little tiny sandwich icon in the top right hand corner, and you will see here that when you go into, and it's come in here, you get into the side menu and you go into settings, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom where it's in General. And in General, you'll see here Offline Mode for Entire App. If you tap that switch, it says Offline Mode for the entire app will block EGW Writings app from using the internet connection. And when you click Continue, now the app is in total silent mode. It will not in any way talk to the internet connection or cell connection, whether it be Wi-Fi or data. So when we come back and we say go in to do a search, you will notice that the little blue globe has a slash through it because it's telling you that this app is working in offline mode. If you come back into the main menu and you go into your, say, all collections, and if I go down into, say, Modern English, where I haven't downloaded the books, you notice there is nothing there because I'm in offline mode. It doesn't know what books are there. If I come back to an area where I have downloaded the books, though, and I open that up, these are the books that I've downloaded. They have a check mark there, a little white check mark, and as you scroll through, I can open up any of these books, and they will load and read just fine. I can read and search. Now, I can't listen unless I download the audiobook first. But, I can read. I can search within the book. So if I click on here, it's going to search no problems. So if I do a search, I get the search results back, but I only get it down from the books that I have downloaded. All right. Now, there is another setting that I want to show you. And if I come back into settings, you will notice here when I scroll down into this part here, I can auto hide books unavailable for reading. That is enabled by default in offline mode. If I turn that switch off and come back into the menus and go back like we did before into Modern English, see how it loads the books? The problem is that can be confusing because you can see how it's saying, hey, you need to download these books. So if I came here and tapped on it, see how I can't, read? I have to actually do it online, and I'm not online. And I've turned the data off, so you're a little bit stuck. That's why I believe it's best in the settings to auto-hide the books that are unavailable. But if you do want to see, what is available, if you want to turn your internet connection back on, you can do that. So that's how you use the app in offline mode and how you go into the settings and down into General and switch the app into offline mode. Now just remember, if you're in offline mode, you need to, if you want to do any updates or listen to audiobooks or download some more books, you have to put the app back into online mode again to be able to do that. If you have no problems with data or you always use the app on Wi-Fi mode, that's not a problem. Just leave it in online mode and it will work properly as it was designed to do. But if you need to save data switch on offline mode, and use it sparingly. Okay, thanks for joining us today. I hope this tech tip has helped you understand the different online and offline modes and how they work. Have a nice day now.